What's up? Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. Guys, I'm currently coming live from the Gambia, West Africa. So guys, in today's video, I will be showing you the new road they are constructing here in Bakoteh, the Gambia, West Africa. So guys, before wasting much time, let me just turn the camera and start showing you guys how the road work is going on here in Bakoteh, the Gambia. So guys, firstly I need to cross the road. Let me get to this other side first. Yep. Wow, guys, I need to cross to that other side. Yep. And this is how the traffic looks here. Wow. Guys, this is the road. The new road. Oh my goodness. Wow. So guys, as you guys can see, guys, they just pour the black liquid here on this road. Yeah, here in Bakoteh. This is the new road here in Bakoteh. They are constructing. Yep.
Why did you?
Wow. Guys, truly speaking, the government is constructing many new roads here in the Gambia. Yeah, that's a fact. So I don't know whether it will last long or not. That's another question, because most of the roads here in the Gambia, they don't last long. Yep. I'm not here for politics, guys, please. Anyways, viewers, this is how it looks here, and this is how this surrounding looks too. Yep. This environment. Wow. Guys, this is how it looks here. Yep. Guys, the more I'm going this way, the more I'll be getting deep inside Bakoteh. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm struggling. I'm struggling here. I'm just finding a perfect place just to be working at. Okay. So guys, this is where the black liquid have stopped for now, as you guys can see, and then it goes all the way to the main highway. Yep. Wow. Guys, this is what is going on here in Bakoteh. Yeah, road work continues. Yep. Yeah, guys, there's another machine coming behind me, so this is a road construction machine. It's just like a wheelbarrow. Yeah. Guys, this is how it looks here. And then if you watch the video till here, just kindly do me a favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. It helps a lot. It helps YouTube to push the video to a larger audience, people like you watching. So let's go, guys. This is a masjid. We have been. Wow. Guys, this is the new look of Bakoteh. Yep, this is Bakoteh for you, the Gambia. These are the road developments going on here in the Gambia. Yeah. Wow. So guys, this is where I will end this video. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. I'm out. It's your boy Prince boy from the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast. This is all what I have for you here in Bakoteh, the Gambia, West Africa. I'm out. Peace.